Okay, let's proceed to chemical barriers. Chemical barriers include substances like spermicides, vaginal gels, creams, and glycerin films. Chemical barriers, if we talk chemical barriers, it includes substances. It is a spermicides, vaginal gels, it is a creams and glycerin films. The function of chemical barriers is killing sperms or making the vagina less hospitable to sperm by lowering the pH level. And also, do not prevent sexually transmitted infection or STI, and available without a prescription have a relatively high failure rate of 80%. Diaphragms works by physical blocking sperm from entering the vagina. Diaphragm is a blocking of, just like for example, if you have someone that you are making sick, and then the chemical diagram, it is a blocking with the sperms of the guy that if we get inside in your vaginal or entering your vaginal. It is a circular rubber disc that fits over the cervix and must be placed before intercourse or coitus. It is okay if you are going to use another prevention. It is circular with your rubber disc. It is fits of your cervix placed before intercourse, before you are going to intercourse. When used with spermicide, the failure rate is reduced to 6% ideally and 16% typically. Must be fitted by physician. Should be left in place for 8 hours after intercourse. Should do not be left in place for more than 24 hours to avoid irritation or inflammation. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, classmate. And we are starting my report. The topic is the report is the victims. Victim is the molds of undergone the victims, which is the include the small inclusion mode in each inside of the scrum. Example is thus is when different is the fed in inside out cut or freed and back to the page of the sperm. This include in is down which in local is AC as a device and pain in that will a local pain can't be saved after project. Advice in paint and use are the block up contributed mood until the negative sperm account result in a different performance because is the sperm called your remain unavailable in the veins and different in form 6 months. There is a 99.5 is accurate create the victims and has to view complication tulad ng mga lalaki ay sumasalin sa mga victim sa isang sinagsagawa ng pamamagitan ng isang mamanatiling paghiwa na ginagawa sa bawat pain. Ang mga victim sa difference ay itinatali o increases, pinuputol o sinasalaksak upang harangan ng daanan ng tamud o pamamaraan ng ito ay ginagawa ng gamit ng lokal at pahayan ng pasyente na ang bayad ay banayad na lokal ay pamakit ay maraming madadam pagkatapos pamarahan. Tudo siya ay pagkatapos pamaraan ng pahayuhan na pasyente ay gumagamit sa ng back-up na paraan pagpigil sa pagbubuntis hanggang sa maisagawa ang dalawang negatibong resulta bilang method dahil marami ang matiing mabubuhay ang tulad ng devices loob ng 6 na buwan. Mayroon 99.9 na create and complication o para victims ito ay may ilang mga complication. Salamat po. Ito po ang aking report is sana.
Cervical cup. A cervical cup is a reusable cup-shaped contraceptive device made of silicone or rubber that fits over the cervix to block sperm from entering the uterus. It used with a spermicide to increase effectiveness and must be fitted by a healthcare professional. To prevent pregnancy, the cup is inserted before sex, left in place for at least 6 hours after, and must be removed within 48 hours. Male condom. A male condom is a health-like barrier used during sex to prevent sexually transmitted infections and pregnancy, made from latex, polyurethane, or polyisoprene. It prevents the exchange of bodily fluids like semen. When used correctly, male condoms are highly effective, but they can only be used once and require water or silicone-based lubricant to prevent breakage and ensure proper function.
Transdermal patch. The transdermal patch has been combination of estrogen and progesterone in a form of a patch. For 3 weeks, the woman should apply one patch every week on the following areas: upper outer arm, upper torso, abdomen, and buttocks. On the 4th week, no patch is applied because the menstrual flow would then occur. The area where the patch is applied should be clean, dry, and free from any applications, and without any redness or irritation. Patches can be worn while bathing or swimming, but when the woman notices that the patch is loose, she should immediately replace the patch. If the patch has been loose for less than 24 hours, the woman need not use an alternative form of contraceptive. But if she is not sure of how long the patch has been loose, she should replace it and start with a new week cycle and also use an additional contraceptive method. Second is vaginal ring. The vaginal ring releases a combination of estrogen and progesterone and surrounds the cervix. This silicone ring is inserted vaginally and remains there for 3 weeks. Then removed on the 4th week as menstrual flow would occur. The woman becomes fertile as soon as the ring is removed. The vaginal ring has the same effectivity rate as the oral contraceptive. Third is subdermal implants. The subdermal implants are two rod-like implants embedded under the skin of the woman during her menses or in the 7th day of her menstruation to make sure that she is not pregnant. It contains etonogestrel, desogestrel, and progestin. It is effective for 3 to 5 years. Subdermal implants have a fail rate of 1%.
Good evening, teacher and classmates. This is my report from Group 7. Tubal ligation is a permanent birth control procedure for a woman. It involves the blocking the fallopian tube to prevent fertilization. It is typically done after menstruation but before ovulation. Recovery times is short, 2 to 3 days for sexual activity. Menstruation continue normally after the procedure. It is highly effective 99.5%, but protection before it is highly effective 99.5%, but protection before the presentation. It's important to audio ectopic pregnancy.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. I'm Eliza D. Daniel. I came from the group 7, where report is about vasectomy. vasectomy, males undergo vasectomy, which is executed through a small incision made on each side of the scrotum. The vast difference is the tight cauterized cut or plugs to block the passage of the sperm. This procedure is done with local anesthesia to advise the patient that mild local pain can be felt after the procedure. Advise the patient to use a backup contraceptive method until two negative sperm count results are performed because the sperm could remain viable in the vas defense for 6 months. There is a 99.5% accuracy rate for vasectomy and has a few complications. Thank you for listening to my report, and that's all. Thank you.